So we're going to look at the distance and the midpoint for both of these. So for this first one, I'm going to plot the points 8. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up 1, 2. I'm going to go to the left 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down 1. I'm going to connect those dots. Okay, I'm going to draw in that slope. So I went from negative 1 to 2, so I went up 3, 13. So I can do it, I don't like doing midpoint graphically when it's an odd number. So I'm going to go ahead and just do the midpoint formula, which is x1 plus x2 over 2, comma, y1 plus y2 over 2. So I'm going to go 8 plus negative 5 divided by 2, and 2 plus negative 1 divided by 2. So 8 plus negative 5 is 3. So we have 3 halves, or 1 1/2. 2 plus negative 1 is 1, and 1/2. So that is my midpoint for it. Okay, for distance, I already have this done. So I can do it this way. I can go 3 squared plus 13 squared and find the answer. Or I can use that distance formula again, that y2 minus y1 squared plus x2 minus x1 squared, which would give me, in this case, this would be x1, y1, x2, y2. So I'd go negative 1 minus a negative 2 squared plus negative 5 minus 8 squared, which is still going to give me 3 squared plus 13 squared. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in my calculator. And I'm just going to put it all at once in my calculator. So you can do it either way. It doesn't matter. You can do, like the square root of the whole thing. So I'm going to go 3 squared plus 13 squared, and then I'm going to take the square root of that, and I get 13 as my answer. Okay, let's look at the other one. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, down 2. And I'm going to go over 2 and up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to connect those. I am going to find my slope right here. We're at 9 and 11. Okay, again, I don't like midpoint when it's odd, so I'm just going to add them together. 9 plus 2 divided by 2, negative 2 plus 7 divided by 2. So we get 11 over 2, negative 2 plus 7 is 5 over 2. I can change these into mixed numbers. 2 goes in 11 5 times, with 1/2 left over. 2 goes into 5 2 times, with 1/2 left over. So 5 and 1/2, or 11 halves, 11 halves, or 5 and 1/2, 5 over 2, or 2 and 1/2. Okay, and then we can just go 9 squared plus 11 squared. I'm just going to do it the shorthand. I'm not going to do both of them. Again, you can put it into the formula. The formula is right next door, number 3. So, but I'm just going to go ahead and do this one. So I've got 9 squared, and I'm going to do it all at once again, plus 9 squared plus 11 squared, and then square root it, and I get 14.2. Okay, so that's it for the review. Your quiz is going to look just like this, just 4 problems, midpoint, distance, and you can do it graphically or with formulas.